Hey, it's Chris back here with another image processing demonstration for you. Let's say, for example, we have a image of a book here, and maybe we want to find the outline of the edges of this book, and we want the edges, since they're fairly straight, we might want to be able to approximate them as a series of lines or a polygon. OpenCV has a great tool for this called ApproximatePolyDP, but in order to use that we may need to take a few steps first. The first thing that we'll do is do a threshold on this. So we'll go to the threshold operation and do a binary inverse threshold at about 80. We can go in here and examine some of the pixel values and see if that might be a good threshold value. And here you can see that we get decent outline, but there's some rough edges there, which is why it might be a useful thing to approximate those edges with a polygon. The next thing we'll do is try to remove some of these other areas. We have some noise in here where the pages were dirty. We have some extra pixels up here, and we can do this with contour filtering. So if we search for what we refer to as external contours that have a certain area in size, maybe an area greater than 1,000 or more, you can see that we got the contour here in blue on the outline, and it's maybe easier to see if we look at the mask output. So this is the single contour that we have. Again, this is decent, but there's some rough edges there. It might be useful to approximate this as a series of lines or polygon, and that's where we can take advantage of this approximate polygon function. So if we use this contoured mask image as the input, you can see we get just a quadrilateral. We can change the error or the maximum distance of the polygon to see that, and also change the output to see that, well, that's not really a very good polygon, and so we can adjust this error until we get a polygon that seems to match the outline of our book. So this is a good demonstration of the approximate polygon capability.